Ready to ditch those crazy high phone bills and jump into the Mint Mobile life? Activating your Mint Mobile SIM card is the first step, and it's easier than you think. Let's get you connected in minutes. First, make sure you have your Mint Mobile SIM card kit ready. Now, power off your phone. Locate your SIM card tray, usually on the side of your phone. Use the provided SIM ejector tool or a paperclip to gently push into the small hole to pop the tray open. If you have an old SIM card, remove it and store it in a safe place. Now, take your Mint Mobile SIM card from the kit. Insert the Mint Mobile SIM card into the tray, making sure it fits snugly and aligns correctly. Gently push the tray back into your phone until it clicks into place. Power on your phone. Next, you'll need to activate your SIM online using a computer or another device. Go to mintmobile.com, activate. Alternatively, you can download and open the Mint Mobile app. Follow the on-screen instructions. You'll likely need your Mint Mobile account details and the ICC ID number, which is printed on your SIM card. You will be asked to enter the SIM card information and follow all prompts. Complete the activation process. It may take a few minutes to complete and fully activate your service. Your phone should then connect to the Mint Mobile network. Make a test call to confirm everything is working. That's it. You're now enjoying affordable Mint Mobile service.